Hello everyone. This is a presentation for statistic. So here's my group mate. So first of all, Kamila, Zakia, Zahra, it's me myself. My matric number is 209659, and then my group members is Nurul Izzati, Nur Farisha Syazrina, Nur Farisha, and Nabilah, and then we are from group 7. Yeah. Okay, so I will explain about my part, which is the first part. The following data consists of daily COVID-19 cases rate for 55 states in United States on 28th of February 2021. And then here's the data. Determine the mean and median, or what you can infer about the shape the data distribution based on the values mean and median. So alright, so the mean I just insert to its formula, so we can conclude that the values of the means is 18.15. As well the median, I just refer to the table that I created below. So the median or the answer of this value is 17.27. And then the shape of the data, because I use the table data for me to see the shape. So the shape is actually skewed to the right. And okay, moving on to the B section. So determine the variance and standard deviation. Okay, so we know that the standard deviation, the variance is like this, and so the standard deviation is like this. And we just insert to the data. Um, so to sum up, we have sum for the value is 3454.72, and then at the end we got 58.7. Yeah, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Farisha Syazrina binti Rosli. My matric number is 209884. Draw the histogram and provide your interpretation about histogram. Okay, so my answer is let me show you how to draw the histogram first. Okay, first we can open Excel and then transfer the data into this table, which is states. We have 55 states and the COVID-19 cases rate. So in this table, I arrange depends on from the ascending order, which is from lower value to higher to upper value. So you can see that the minimum of the value is 1.36, and then the maximum value is 38.33. Okay, so for the week for the for the range of the cases rate, COVID-19 cases rate, I use the maximum value minus the minimum value. So which is I get 36.97 as the answers. And from this data, I divide by 4, which is I decide to use 4 bins for classes. So I use 8.99 as the classes between the lower value and the upper value, as it is nearest to 9, right? So I use 8.99 as the suitable value. Okay, so for the bins, actually, I use starting from the value of 9.99, and then 19.99, 29.99, and last is 39.99, which is because I use for bins, so it is supposed to be four values there. And then for the histogram, I use the first, I use the data analysis, which is it is suitable for histogram tools. Okay, so from this, we choose the input range from the from the COVID-19 cases rate, which is the data that we want to be shown in the histogram. And then the bin range is that we decided just now. And then in case we want to tick labels, so we have to start from the first column until the until the end of the value lah. Okay, so for the output range, we can choose any boxes that we want. Tick also the chart output. Okay, and then so we just click OK from that tools, and then we can see that it automatically change to this pattern. So change to this pattern, and the box also it has been drawn automatically from the histogram tools that I showed just now. This is the final our drawn histogram. So the question is and provide your interpretation about the histogram. My interpretation about this histogram is skewed to the right and has no outliers, because from the table itself, it follow the range, and then it is skewed to the right as the value is from upward to lower, more to right side. That's all from me and from my question. I hope
Question
that
1E.
will be the clear explanation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Izzati binti Mohd Nor. My matric number is 209803. Draw the box plot and interpret the plot. So this is the box plot that has been constructed by using Excel. For the interpretation, the box plot is skewed to the right because the median value, which is 17.27, is located at the left center, which means it will be around here, below 17.63. It also has long right whisker. Other than that, 4 outliers has been detected, which are 33.4, 35.17, 36.91, and 38.33. Next, we will proceed with question number 2B. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nabilah binti Aziz with matric number 210056. And how to construct the bar and pie chart. So first, for the bar chart, I have made the table for risk level and the frequency. So for the frequency, we can get based on the data given in the question. Then we are going to select all the data here and click on insert and choose bar chart icon here and then click on the desired bar. I'll choose this one. Then I'm gonna edit our title because our title is not frequency, it is daily COVID-19 case rate data. And then we can also add the Aziz title by clicking here and add the Aziz title here. So for the x-axis, it's gonna be risk level, and for the y-axis, it's gonna be frequency. And to differentiate each bar, we can also edit the color. Click on the bar, desired bar, and right click on it, and then click on fill. So because this is high, I'm going to choose red color. So this is how we construct the data, the bar chart. And then this is the finished look after I done editing all the color based on the risk level. Next, for the pie chart, we need again the risk level, and for the y-axis, we need the percentage. To get the percentage, we can divide the frequency with n, then multiply by 100. So again, we are going to select all the data here and click on insert. And this time we're going to choose the pie or donut chart icon and click on the desired shape or type of pie chart. And then we're gonna edit the title again because this is not our title. The title is daily COVID-19 case for daily COVID-19 case rate data. And we can also add the data label because it is easier for everyone to understand our pie chart if we add the data label. And then we can also change the color for each segmentation by clicking on the desired segment, for example this one, and I'll click on the color red, for example. And then that's how we get our pie chart. So this is how it looks like after I've done editing the title, adding the data label, and also change the color, change each segment color accordingly. So that's all for me. I'll pass to Farisha.
Okay, my name is Nur Farisha binti Fadzli. My metric number is 209931. Thank you, Anis, for constructing the bar and also the pie chart. Moving to the next instruction from question 2B. Provide your interpretation regarding the chart. From the bar chart, it is meant to convey the information about the frequency of COVID-19 case rate corresponding to the risk level. The frequency is labeled on the y-axis and the risk level is on the x-axis. Meanwhile, for the pie chart, each proportion in the pie uses the percentage of the total. As a whole, both bar chart and also pie chart shows the differences of frequency by the height of the bar and the size of each slices of the pie respectively. Therefore, we can interpret that medium risk level is the most common for the risk of COVID-19 spread because the charts show that it has the highest frequency for the bar chart and the highest percentage for the pie chart, which is 39 and 71% respectively. On the other hand, very low risk level is the rarest for the risk of COVID-19 spread because it has the lowest frequency in the bar chart, which is 2, and the lowest percentage in the pie chart, which is 4%. And that's all from our part. Thank you for listening.